Ready to drive app installs and in-app actions, let's learn how to launch an app promotion campaign. From the dashboard, click Create Campaign. Here in Objectives, under Conversion, let's choose App Promotion. Once you select this, you'll have promotion types, either app install or app retargeting. In the app install campaign setup, you can either choose a manual campaign, which allows you to create a campaign using the standard workflow, or to create a Smart Plus campaign, which is a newly added feature. This helps improve your app performance with automated management and optimization. The second option was app retargeting helps re-engage existing app users, so take some action in your app. This is what drives some in-app event, so choosing from here tells TikTok whether to optimize toward downloads, actions like registration, or highest value users post-install. Once you've made your selection here, you can go to Settings to change your campaign name. Let's change this one to App Campaign, then you'll see the regular options to either create a split test, campaign budget optimization, or setting a campaign budget in the first place. Then hit Continue. Here you'll again see a page similar to this where you can first edit your ad group name if you wish to. Let's just stick with ad group. After selecting an ad group name, you have the option for app selection. Over here, you can connect your iOS or Android app via Event Manager for install tracking. Once you've added your app, you have your regular options for placements, whether you want to allow comments, download sharing, and you even have the Pangled block list. Then you have your targeting, followed by budget and schedule, and lastly, you have your bidding and optimization. The major difference from other campaigns is going to be linking off your app at the very beginning. Now, this could be very helpful for a game launch company, for instance, where a mobile game brand optimized for install with CPI cap of $2, for example. Now they can use portrait videos showing gameplay and music overlay. Now, this could be helpful for things aside from games, including fintech apps, e-commerce apps, or whatever they might be. In the end, you can hit Continue, and once you do, your app promotion campaign is going to be live. This is it about app promotion campaigns inside TikTok Ads Manager. This is it for now. See you in the next lesson.